So my typical morning routine is actually a lot more difficult than it probably needs to be. I usually wait for the alarm clock for a good 5 minutes before I finally stretch and get out of bed and turn it off. And then it's a struggle to actually get up instead of going back to bed. If I do get up, I get to take a shower, which is awesome. Then I get to brush my teeth, go through all the daily routines. I don't know what it is about like water hitting your face, but it's usually a good way to just wake up even if you've only gotten a couple of hours of sleep. Even though the mornings are difficult, once I get through it, the days get a lot better.